You can now download TikTok on your phone again. Apple and Google have restored it to their app stores after the new Attorney General Pam Bondi told the companies that her Department of Justice would not fine them for violating a national security law prohibiting them from hosting the app.
National correspondent Atra Al-Nashar has a closer look at this issue that is far from resolved.
TikTok is back on the app stores for now.
Good afternoon.
Complying with an executive order from the president, the new Attorney General Pam Bondi giving Apple and Google the green light to resume hosting TikTok on their app stores, ending a 27-day hiatus triggered by a bipartisan national security law passed during the Biden administration. Tech giants bringing TikTok back is not without risk, legal experts say, especially if the executive order is challenged in court. Fines for violating the law? $5,000 per user.
TikTok isn't just another social media platform. TikTok is a Chinese communist spy app.
The law required TikTok to be sold from its Chinese parent company ByteDance by January 19th or be banned in the U.S.
We are concerned about actions they're taking contrary to U.S. interests around the world, but also contrary to U.S. interests and U.S. safety here at home.
When President Trump was sworn in, he extended the deadline for 75 days.
I'm sure it can be extended, but let's see, I don't think you'll need to.
Even some Republicans disagree and didn't think TikTok should have been given a lifeline in the first place.
Let me be crystal clear. There will be no extensions, no concessions, and no compromises for TikTok.
The president has put Vice President J.D. Vance in charge of brokering a deal to move TikTok out of Chinese hands. But the biggest obstacle remains. Neither TikTok nor ByteDance want a sale to occur.
I hope to be able to make a deal. I think it would be good, and we'll have to probably get approval from China to do it.
To sell TikTok's algorithm, Chinese government approval is mandatory. The most viable offer to buy the app comes from billionaire Frank McCourt.
Well, I know what China is for sure clear about. They're not letting the algorithm go, right? They've said this is part of Chinese government property.
For its users, perhaps the only thing harder to imagine than a future without TikTok is TikTok without the algorithm that makes it run. In Washington, I'm Atra Al-Nashar reporting.